So in this video, you learn how to download music or any audio to the SD card of your Samsung Galaxy A07. So if you want to be able to easily download them directly to the SD card without needing you to transfer them, this is what you're going to do. You're going to start by opening your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome or even Samsung Internet, and you want to set the download location to SD card. So go ahead and open up the settings menu on your browser. Then from here, you want to scroll down until you find Sites and Downloads. Select it. From here, you then want to tap on Save Downloaded Files to. And then you can see here, it's saying Device. So you want to tap on it and you want to select the option SD card. So just tap on it like that, select SD card. And now any downloaded files will be saved to SD card. So you can go back to the main browser. Then you can go ahead and try to download audio. So I'll be downloading audio from Pixabay, but if you have another place you normally like to download from, then it's up to you. So go ahead and navigate to where you are downloading your audio from. Then once you find the audio that you wish to download, just tap on this download icon and then wait for it to be downloaded. Once it's been successfully downloaded on your phone, you can then just navigate to the Files app on your device. And then from here, tap on SD card. On the SD card, scroll until you find the download folder, select it, and you should be able to see your newly downloaded audio. And so that's how you can download music or audio files directly to the SD card on a Galaxy A07. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.